So this is the last area that we can go and check if you want to have Tailwind and not install it via the CLI or through a framework. You just want to go to this playground. So that's play.tailwind.css.com. And in here, you can kind of, mess around with Tailwind, and it's already configured. So you got your configuration file, which is equal to that inside of the CLI and also inside of a framework. And you have the directives already set up, and here's your HTML file out of the gate. So we can actually just delete this stuff here, and we can paste in our snippet again. And once again, you can see this works, and you can come here to this playground if you don't want to install it the other ways, and you can have this to mess around with. Tailwind has a content delivery network that they set up for installing Tailwind CSS. And you're really just going to copy like just one script or one line. Over here, we'll jump into our resources. We'll go to views or welcome blade. Instead of pulling this in, you could just drop in this tag right here. So this would do the same thing. So I wouldn't do this in a Laravel project, but you can just drop this inside of like a regular HTML project or an HTML file within the head, and you'll have this, and it'll work exactly the same as the three. It's very easy to get Tailwind set up. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you found this informative. And when we start doing work with Tailwind, this will be one of the three approaches that you can take, and we'll build some components. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts below. Hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Until next time.